Hey, what's up you guys, it's your pal Cabigao here, welcoming you to another episode of my channel. Yes. Yay. Ate lagi mo effects to. Yes, you got that right. We are having a new vlog and welcome to vlog 13 of mine. Ang arte ko dun. How do you say 13? 13. 13. But however you want to say it, whatever, pala kayo dyan. By the way, yes, segue lang tayo. I love to flaunt my new hair because I was the one who cut it off. Back to the video, and I'm just so happy to be sharing it to all of you, of course, because that's what I always do. I love unboxing stuff. But before we do that, before we get to the video, I'm inviting everybody to please do subscribe to my channel. As I always say, just type in my name, that's Cabigao, of course, and don't forget to hit that bell button to your right down below for you to get notified whenever I post in the future. Now, for today's vlog, we're gonna be unboxing something from these brand that I'm loving so much. Yes. Well, you know what, to tell you honestly, guys, I wasn't really expecting to be receiving an item from them anymore, because I already got one, to tell you honestly, because back in October 2019 I was able to receive rather a product from them, and it was, of course, a very shocking product for me, because I don't really consider myself as an influencer or an Instagram. I would call myself an Instagrammer because I love Instagram so much and I love posting photos on Instagram, but I wouldn't really consider myself as an influencer. But they considered me and they sent me a pair of earphones, which I truly love so much, and I'm abusing it every single time. It's like my travel companion every time I go out, do some errands, whenever I go to the mall or to whatever activity I'm doing. I'm just always using these earphones that I got from them. Of course, that's from Sudio. Thank you so much, Sudio, once again for sending me a new product, of course, that I'll be unboxing for today, and I will be showing the newest product that I got from them, and it's a Regent 2 headphone. So this time they actually asked me to choose a product from them, but the choices were just 12, which is the wireless earphones I already got from them before. So I told myself that if I'm going to get that in a different color, then there's just gonna be, you know, there's nothing new, or I'm not gonna be able to vlog anything from it. So I told myself that I'm going to choose a different variant now, which is headphones that they offer, and it's of course the newest Regent 2 headphone. Yeah, I want to say thank you once again, Sudio, for sending me another headphones here. Gosh, my heart is so full. By the way, I saw your new post. You got a new speaker on your page. Then might as well, Sudio. Baka naman, diba? I need a speaker right now. I'm sad though. Anyway, let's get this started and let's open this up. Now, this is what you get, or this is what I got from them, and I think that this is what you're gonna be getting when you cop a product from them as well. So yes, it comes in a black box that says Sudio here, of course, the parcel and everything, like the details and your address. Alright, this is what you get. I love, of course, the classic black matte paper that they use, this sticker with the Sudio sticker on it, and this is what you get as well, like a card from them. It says music touches us emotionally where words alone can't. Once you open this up, it says thank you for your purchase. Like I said, this is what we're all gonna be getting from them when you purchase one, but I didn't pay for this, you know. Joke. Anyway, so yeah, we also get to have this statement from them, or like a letter. This is what I got from them, the Sudio Regent 2. It's a headphones. It's very light because it says here that it's just 185 grams, plus the fact that it's collapsible and everything else is just inside it, of course. Alright, so let's slide this out and take a look at these earphones, or headphones rather. See that? Now, I have already unpacked it, so already got this. It's already disassembled, so yeah. Ooh, sorry about that. Oh, nagpakitang gilas agad. Yes, so by the way, just so you know, it has a collapsible design. As you can see, you can definitely collapse it, and you can either adjust it by simply sliding this down for you to get the right fit whenever you wear it. Now, it has, kaya siya nagpakitang gilas. It has interchangeable caps, so just so you know. So all you gotta do is just twist it back and you're good to go. So twist it like this and you're good to go. Also love the spongy cushion here. It's so soft, and what's good about it is that it's, as I mentioned, interchangeable. So eventually in the long run, wala naman forever, so it will definitely, you know, it will definitely last a while, but masisira pa rin siya. So if you're going to change that, that's a good thing. You can just simply head onto the website and just simply change the caps here. Yep. So moving on to the headphones, it's actually made of, I think, PU covering, I would say. Yeah. Yep. Doesn't look leather to me, but nevertheless, it's definitely a good material, of course. Oh, by the way, it comes in 2 colors, so it has white and black. So I got black, of course, because I know the fact that whites are just very high maintenance, and you know, it's just so hard to clean white. It's just so easy to get stained and to get marked or something. So I always opt for color black, and I love black because it's always sleek, it's elegant, it's versatile, like you know, like me. No, just kidding. Anyway, other contents of the product is this one. I'm actually opening it right now. Alright, you get to see the owner's manual. Sudio Regent Bluetooth headphones. Of course, you get a guarantee certificate here. So it's actually your card. So just in case that something happens to your Sudio headphones, you can just simply go online and just type the digits of this guarantee card certificate that you got from them. Also, when you register this card, you get another year of subscription, or more like a year of warranty from them as well. Actually, not a year, but I think 18 months. Yeah, I couldn't find it, but yes, so 12 months to 18 months, so you get that kind of warranty from them. Now, what else do you have to see from this product? Oh yeah, there you go. So it says charging cable, aux cable, of course. What's good about the headphones here is that it has an auxiliary cable, which you can use just in case you run out of juice. Of course, because its battery life is not really, I mean, it could last a day, I can assure you that, because its battery life is 24 hours, but then it's not like the true wireless earphones from Sudio, which is the 12. It's not like that because it lasts for 35 hours. But then, what's good about this is that since it has an auxiliary cable wire, you can just plug it into your phone to any device that you like to pair up, and easy peasy, lemon breezy. So you can still listen to your tracks clearly and without the hassle. So yeah, that's what's good about it. Also, what else? Oh, I see. Okay, product specifications here. Also, by the way, I love it. I love its connectivity because it's so easy to pair up as well, because all you gotta do is you just gotta open this up. Like, it has 3 buttons here, as you can see, and you just gotta press the middle button, and all you gotta do is just wait for at least, or press and hold it for like 5 seconds, and you should be blinking and you get to see a blue light flickering on the indicator. Now once you pair it to your device, all you gotta do is just to simply press the middle button once again and wait for 3 seconds, 3 to 5 seconds, and you have to see, or you get to see a red light flickering. Now once you get to see that light flickering on the indicator, then you are good to go, and all you have to do is just to open the Bluetooth connection on your phone and you are so set. Select the archetype model, which is Sudio Regent 2, and that's basically it. You are ready to listen to your tracks or to whatever that you're listening to. I love the cushion. It's also very comfy to wear. See that? I am feeling it right now. It's so soft and a little bit spongy, but so good. It just feels so good. And oh, it has a passive noise isolation. So how cool is that? Yeah, I mean, a lot of us these days do would love to have that noise cancelling feature, but then what's good about these headphones is that it doesn't really have that thing. But what I'm saying here is that it has a passive noise isolation. Once you wear the headphones here, you get to ang ingay! Yeah, so moving back to the headphones, you get to like isolate yourself or kind of listen to your music in full scale. I mean, I've tried it before. I've actually maxed the volume and I couldn't really hear the person that I'm speaking with, to tell you honestly, unless he or she shouts at you. So I think that's basically it, guys, and I hope you got something from this video. Oh, now of course, let's before we end this, I'm inviting of course everybody to cop a Sudio. So yes, I'm promoting this actually. So whenever you got time, or if you're planning to change your earphones, you could just head into the website at www.sudio.com. Also, you could visit their page on Instagram at Sudio. Just simply type in Sudio. It's pretty easy, and you'll be able to see everything there. So all the products that they have, like they do have a wide array of products for you to choose from, and you can just simply check it out. And also, of course, I got a new code for you. The codes that I got are just Cabigao Brian, that's basically my name, and the other one's Cabigao Brian 7, and those codes are definitely active, so might as well use it. And I think that's it for today's vlog, and I hope to see you guys soon. Please do stick to my channel, and as I mentioned, you can just subscribe to my channel, hit that bell button, of course, you guys. Also, if you want a dose of fashion, then might as well follow me on Instagram at Cabigao Brian, and that's basically it. Oh, by the way, before we end this video, I am inviting you to check out pop-up_ giveaways. Who is shouting? Ingay. But then yes, I'm inviting everybody to please do check out pop-up_ giveaways on Instagram, because we're having a giveaway. It's actually a Sudio giveaway for all of you guys. All you need to do is to do the mechanics, and that's it. You are definitely on the go, and just simply follow what needs to be followed on that page, and that's simply it. Me and my team are actually excited to give out a Sudio product to the winners, so please do check it out. You guys have a wonderful evening, wonderful day, wonderful week ahead of you. This has been your unboxer, Brian Cabigao, signing off. Cheers.